In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Suggest Text Corrections option on this device. Begin by opening Devices Settings. When you're ready, scroll all the way down and click on General Management over here. Now you need to tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on Suggest Text Corrections over here. Lastly, click on this switcher next to your language. If the switcher is blue, that means that Suggest Text Corrections option is enabled. To disable it, click on the same no blue switcher. If you wish to, you can also go back, scroll down a tiny bit more, and use gray switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar. Then, when you launch your keyboard, you can click on this gear icon at the top of it to access this option much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!